in the back of the room. Yeah, I'll do. Let's go. Ah! Fucking have it! Last one. Go on. Done. Oh, that's it. You alright?
Yeah.
What's wrong? Go for it if you want to. Wait, what?
One down this one.
Fuck this. Fucking hell. Me, oh. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
You ready?
For what?
I'm gonna try and push one more in front.
Back. I go on. Fuck this. Boom!
Red team, your region has moved! Your region has moved!
Okay, right, mate.
Fuck it. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, on you. Yeah, can you pick it back on? Try to move the... Push the yellow netting. Bring. Oh, fuck, come on, go. Go to the tree then. Ready? Yellow net. What? Yellow net, ready? Go, go, go. Go. Where?
Hey, it was right in front. His ball's in front of me.
Wait, you're gonna call it? You're gonna call it?
Go on. Go on. Where? down. Sit down.
Yeah, but one minute, you need to get more people. Have you got me actually or not?
Come on! Hey, Red, get down!
Alright, on three, everybody get shot in row. 1, 2, 3, go!
Go, 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 go! Go, go! Hit! It's in!
They're all dead! You're all dead! Come on, guys! Don't wait till they waste the time!
Which one?
Yeah, we just get one more person there. Get one more person there. Get one more person there. Go on, take it. Hit! Thank you! Bullets hit! Too far, hang on. Dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man, dead man. Dead man, dead man, dead man. That wouldn't beat me. That wouldn't beat you.
It's literally got to move it one more